Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to make some goat milk yogurt using the BiotiQuest Sugar Shift Starter Culture. You can use fresh or long life goat milk. Today I'm going to use 2 liters of fresh goat's milk, which means we're going to use the heat and hold technique to give us a nice thick yogurt. The Sugar Shift Starter Culture was designed to tackle the growing problem of sugar addiction and its impact on the microbiome. Using the Sugar Shift Starter Culture, you can help to reduce inflammation, improve bowel regularity, decrease sugar and carb cravings, and boost energy. This is a really great way to restore overall digestive health. As always, you need to sterilize all of your equipment. That's your pot, a whisk, a thermometer, and your yogurt making glass jar. To get started, pour up to 2 liters of fresh goat milk into a clean pot. Gently heat the milk to 82 degrees Celsius or 180 Fahrenheit. Hold the milk at this temperature for around 30 minutes. Goat milk is really delicate and mustn't boil, so be careful and give it a whisk every now and then to prevent this happening. Remove it from the heat and let the milk cool down to below 42 degrees Celsius or 107 Fahrenheit. Once it's cooled down, pour it into the Luvele yogurt making glass jar. Add 1 scoop of Sugar Shift Yogurt Starter Culture and whisk well to combine. Put the lid on the yogurt jar and place it into the base of the yogurt maker. Pour water slowly into the base up to the tall line indicator and replace the cover lid over the top. Use the digital control panel to set the temperature to 36 degrees Celsius and the time to 36 hours, and then press confirm to begin incubation. Once the time is up, you can remove the jar from the yogurt maker and place it into the fridge to chill and set for at least 6 hours. So there's our goat milk yogurt using the Sugar Shift Starter Culture. If you're looking for something that's a bit gentler on the gut, then goat's milk is a really good option. And the Sugar Shift Starter with that longer fermentation time will give you that optimal probiotic outcome. Check out the recipe blog for more tips and tricks on this recipe and all of our other yogurt recipes. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life videos. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back really soon with another video.